Welcome for this mathematics lesson. We're going to study word problems involving fractions. Number 2 of this paper. Anthony spent 1/4 of his net January salary on school fees. He spent 1/4 of the remainder on electricity and water bills. He then spent 1/9 of what was left on transport. If we finally add 3,400 shillings, calculate his net January salary. So remember to subscribe to the channel and to also share the link with your friends. We are told that a quarter, the first quarter, is going to school fees. Then Anthony is again spending 1/4 of the remainder. You know, we should get the remainder first. So the remaining fraction itself is 1 minus 1/4, which is 3/4. Therefore, now he is spending 1/4 of 3/4. 1/4 of 3/4, which gives us 3 out of 16. And this one is going to water and electricity. So water and electricity is being sorted by 3 out of 16. Then he spent 1/9 of what was left. So what is being left now? If we take the total fraction and we subtract fees, which is 1/4, and water and electricity, which is 3 out of 16, we shall get, let me subtract it, 1/4 and 3 out of 16. I'm getting 9 out of 16. So this is what is remaining finally. Then he is spending 1/9 of what remained. So 1/9 of 9 out of 16, which will take us to 1 out of 16. This one is going to transport. Then we are being told that now he is finally remaining with 3,400. So which means remaining fraction is going to be now 1 minus everything which has been spent now. 1/4 plus transport 1 over 16 plus 3 out of 16 on electricity. Let's check the fraction we will remain with. 1/4, 1/6, okay, 1 over 16 that is, and also 3 out of 16. So I'm remaining with 1 out of 2. So this is the remainder, the final remainder in the fractions. So if final remainder, which is half, is being equal to 3,400, then we can also calculate the total amount, yes, which is 2 out of 2. So 2 out of 2 by 3,400 divide by half, which means times 2 out of 1. This is going to give us 6,800 Kenya shillings. So this is the total amount of money Anthony had.